Hello everyone, I'm Matt at Torque King. Today's product highlight video is for the QU11002 mode fork for a NV271 and NV273 transfer case. It is a genuine original equipment fork and rail for new process and new venture NV271 and NV273 series transfer cases. QU11002 is used on all 2003 to 2012 Dodge Ram 2500, Ram 3500, and 2008 to 2012 Ram 4500 and 5500 4x4 trucks. Also used on 2005 to 2009 Chevy GMC C4500 and C5500 trucks. These premium high quality mode forks are made right here in the USA. Mode forks typically wear out when the plastic shift fork pads wear away. There can be several causes of pad wear. High on the list is dirty or low oil, so get out and check your transfer case oil on a regular basis. Replace any mode shift fork that shows visible wear. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.